Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. I'm going to show you today if you've got landscaping lights and you want to replace them, but you don't have the same base that you've been looking for in the stores because it's probably obsolete. It's easy and cheap to rebuild them. Just take the cap off, take the bulb out. Make sure you buy the MR16 connector, which is right here. You can get them off of Amazon. They look just like this. It's then you just take the excuse me, you take the screws out. Two small Phillips head screws. Make sure you don't lose the screws. They're Phillips head and they can take a screwdriver, small screwdriver, it don't matter. I'm gonna dump them screws out so I don't lose them. Little bitty ones. Okay, then you want to take the wire out, unscrew the base, like so. There's where your connection's gonna happen. You're gonna have to, there'll be a knot tied in it. You untie the knot, and then you pull the wires out. And I heat shrink them back together so they'll be watertight. I jammed them wires down in there. Just like that. And you splice them in, and then you get your little heat. You can use a heat gun, or if you got a big lighter, and just melt the shrink wrap to the wire, and then reposition it down in the base. Make sure it all goes down in that hole real good. Just a small hole down there. Take some wiggling to get it in there. Okay, the hardest part is getting these two wires back through that little hole. But if you work on it, it'll go through. And then you get your screws. Magnetic tip is a big help because you gotta bring this in and match it up with those two screw holes. Try to do it like this so y'all can see it. What I usually do is push it in, go ahead and get it started like that, and then get the other one. Thought I lost it. Put it on that magnetic tip, put it through there, line it up, and then screw it on. And I hardwire mine straight to my low voltage landscape wire. I don't use them little clamps. Just tighten it down like so. Put your MR16 base bulb back in place. Put your top back on. And then put your base back on. that. And you're good to go for many more years without having to spend hundreds of dollars on another group of landscape lights. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.